happening in the first day and everyone is joining one by one. It's going to take time. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Good. Fine. Thank you. Yeah, I hope everyone is there. Fine. Good. Almost everyone. Okay, good. Fine. Okay, we are going to start, boys and girls. We are going to start in just a few seconds. I mean, just 1 to 2 minutes. We'll start very quickly. Yeah, nice to see you again. Good to see you again. So the first batch girls who were there in the first batch, they are there. Good. Nice to see you again. Good to see you again. Wonderful to see you again. Pleasant to see you again. Good. Yeah. Okay. So please check your background disturbance. Boys and girls, we are going to start the class. There should be no background disturbance. If you are speaking, make sure you use the headphones, boys and girls. We are going to start the class. This batch is full, 3 to 4. Okay. Fine, good. Sajad sir, can we start? Okay, fine. Thank you very much. Okay. So boys and girls, here we go. And we are going to start the training. The batch number 4, the timings is 3 to 4. All right, here we go. I hope everyone has settled down. Academic year 2020-2021, venue spoken English and personality development classes from Colors Foundation, place Bengaluru. Our respected dignitaries of Color Foundation and wonderful boys and girls, a very, very good afternoon to everyone. As I present my highest gratitude, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mohammad Shahnawaz, the spoken English trainer, as well as the personality development trainer from Colors Foundation. So as we move forward, from the bottom of my heart, first I would like to welcome the Colors team and all the students present on the screen. Welcome, heartily welcome to everyone for this session, the session number 1, training number 1. Now, as we move forward, I just want to ask you everyone to please settle down and your screen is on and off. Make sure you use the headphone and your voice should be loud and clear. But before that, I just want to explain some protocols. Okay, boys and girls, please listen very carefully because I know you are very well versed and very well expert in spoken. Just sorry for the inconvenience. My internet. Yeah. So everyone is expert in the Zoom application, but I would like to say we are having one batch at a time, boys and girls. And here the batch which is going to start from 3 o'clock. Right now the time is 3:06 p.m. and the batch is going to go up to 3:45, 3:50 p.m. Boys and girls, this is the first day. As everyone knows, we face and we observe and technical problems. So you do not feel like the class will go up to 4, 4:15, 4:30. No, because the next batch will be waiting. Okay, we have the many batches. So one by one, the next batches will be waiting. So I request all the boys and girls to concentrate and please maintain discipline while we are starting the training. Okay, so the protocols of the Zoom, as I said, this was the important point. The Zoom application's boss or manager or proprietor is giving the time for us for only 45 minutes. Okay, 45 minutes is giving the time maximum, because if there are 2 to 3, it can give maximum 50 to 55 minutes, but right now we have 45 minutes remaining. Okay, and related to the protocol of this training, of this class, of this session, the spoken English has started. Boys and girls, it is all about the creativity. Okay, this is all about the creativity. Means I have used 3 words. For example, I used session, I used training, and I used classes. Okay, this is what the spoken English is. If you want to speak to an opposite person, you should make sure that what word you are using again and again in the same day, same life, make sure to use different words. So what happens? Your English improves, it enhances, it grows. Here and what is the meaning of enhance, what is the meaning of growth, and what is the meaning of development. Words are different, meanings is same, that is success. Okay, so I was saying, boys and girls, we are on the Zoom application and I can see everyone well and fine. So make sure that you are not alone, boys and girls. Here we are with Colors Foundation team. Okay, the team means they are the technical team who are hosting this training, this session, this class. If you do unwanted things, like if you're not maintaining discipline, you will be removed out. So you make sure, please be very much disciplined. Okay, and I make sure that headphones are compulsory because for the interaction purpose. Okay, if you are interacting with each other, it is very good that you use the headphones. Okay, I want to say for this personal development and spoken I got the message line. Thanks in the sense, if your batch is starting at 3 o'clock, you should be ready at 2:50 or maximum at 2:55. If you're on the time, what will happen here is we can start the class early and we can finish it as much as possible so that you can utilize this class. Now, as I said, I will going to repeat again, whoever disturbs the class will be removed. Okay, so please maintain the discipline. And the good news is, the last point and the good news is, like everyone will be getting a virtual certificate. Okay, boys and girls, you will be getting an virtual certificate in the sense that this certificate will be very, very useful for everyone. Okay, it will be very useful for everyone. When it will be useful? When you grow up and there is a resume and you submit your resume with this, so it will be very, very useful, this certificate which we are going to provide you. Now let me explain one more thing, that about the spoken English training, we have the sessions, maximum sessions or classes, okay, or the training will be 25 to 30, 35, 30, maximum 30 classes will be there, or the training or the sessions will be there. So you have to make sure that you attend all the classes. At that part of time, you will get this certificate. Okay, fine. So these were the some points I was informing you and I was saying you. So as we move forward, spoken English. Now, as I said, this batch, we have many 4 to 5 batches, but this batch is very full. So very important topic or the matter I want to like explain you. Okay, and that is, this batch has 3 levels of students. I have already said. Okay, and right now I'm going very fast because 50% of the students in this batch I know very well. They are very much expert and they're very much fine. But this batch, the levels of the students are very, girls, you know the meaning of rural. What is the meaning of rural? Rural is nothing but what we call as village. Okay, so in this batch there are boys and girls who are from village who can't understand English very quickly. So I have to be very slow. So it doesn't mean that you understand that sir is speaking slowly, this, that, we are well. No, because everyone is equal in this batch. Okay, so who are from the rural. And second one is girls. As we started in the spoken English, very important is words. Okay, framing the words, joining together the words. So if I'm saying the word rural, what will be the opposite word of rural? So you know, I already said the answer is like rural. Opposite word of rural. Okay, here the chat box has started. Good, 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 well and fine. Okay, so why I'm asking this? Okay, good. We got the answer. The answer is opposite word of rural is nothing but an urban. URBAN, urban. And urban is nothing but an city, what we call as city. So what happens in our daily life, boys and girls, we use the word and we say, if you are irritated with some person, you say, are you from village? So instead of saying, you have to say, are you from rural area? Okay, rural means village. This is what normally we speak. Are you from rural or are you from urban? So it's nothing but an, are you from village or are you from city? So as I was saying, boys and girls, as we move forward, and I was saying, like We have the three types of level. The first level who are from rural areas, who don't know English very much, who speaks very slowly, and even they understand very so speak very English very slowly and try to explain them very slowly, because if you speak English very fast, it's no use. Opposite person has to understand your English, spoken English. The second level is everyone knows to speak in English because we are in urban, we are in city, we are in Bengaluru. So what happens here is everyone knows to speak English, but they don't speak fluently. Now, what is the meaning of fluence, boys and girls? Fluence is nothing but and the expert, okay, the immaculate, the words coming from your mouth is grammatical word. Okay, each and every word should be in grammatical words. That's we called as an fluent English, fluent English. Okay, so the second level, boys and girls who knows to speak English, but they're not fluent, still learning. And obviously the last, but not the least, the expert level. Okay, the last level, which is called as expert level. They know each and everything. They know even how to speak English fluently. They know how to attend the interviews. They know all the grammatical thing. It is good we have the students like this. Why? Because even they are getting trained. Now the point is here, who knows each and everything? Boys and girls who knows each and everything. Like, I know spoken English fluently, I know how to attend the interviews, I know the personality development, still they are attending the classes. Why? Because once again I am saying practice makes man perfect. You have to make sure that each and every training, because something is better than nothing. In 100% training, I'm 100% sure that 30% or 20% who are expert, it will be very useful to them. Okay, remaining students of the first level and second level, obviously they are going to utilize it very well. Okay, fine. Anyhow, so this is the thing I wanted to tell you the secret. In our batch, we have the students who are very low, who are very high, and who are very average. Low, average, and high students we have. So according to this, we will be teaching this class very slowly, smoothly, and I hope everyone gets benefit from this. Okay, so now boys and girls, as we move forward, English is all about the grammar. Okay, boys and girls, it's grammar. So grammatical things, normally what happens here is while speaking the word, you should be knowing the meaning of a particular word. If you know the meaning of a particular word, you can understand that word and you can reply what the opposite person has asked. But before that, I just want to say, like, what is the other way of speaking? Okay, boys and girls, other way of speaking means instead of using the same daily words, what are the other words you can use? For example, here comes the first thing. I just want to share my screen. Just hold on second. Okay, boys and girls. Okay, host disabled participant screen sharing. Okay, Sipkat sir, suggest sir, can you please make sure that I cannot share my screen. Okay, boys and girls, Sipkat sir and Sajjad sir are from our technical team, and they are the hosting, and they decide who can speak. Just a second, sir. Okay.
You can share it now, sir. Hello.
Yeah, I'm trying, sir. I'm trying on it. I'm trying on it. Just a second, sir. Okay, boys and girls. Sir, can you hear my voice?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to share my screen. Just 1 second. Oh my God, technology. Yeah. Okay, girls, boys and girls, I just want you to send a message. What I'm writing on the screen, please, you have to say it. I'm typing some words. Okay, I have typed some words, or you can say letters I have typed. Can anyone tell me what is this? What I have typed on the screen? I'm just checking. I know very well everyone knows to read and everyone knows to write. I just wanted to check. In the chat box, can you send? Okay, fine. Okay. That was just in confirmation. Boys and girls, it was in confirmation. Fine. So, what is your name? I have just typed it. Okay. So, can you tell me, boys and girls, like here I'm typing, instead of asking what is your name, is it okay to ask who are you? Okay, what is happening here? What is your name? Okay, yes, obviously. What is your name? In the sense, there are different ways of asking what is your name. Okay, some girls and boys are replying yes, sir, you can ask them who are you. Some boys and girls are telling no, you cannot ask them who are you. Okay, so the spoken English, boys and girls, what happens here is the way of asking the questions improves your spoken English. Okay, the way of asking the questions. Okay, so here, what is your name? Instead of asking what is your name, I have given the options. Can you ask who are you? So boys and girls, please send the message. Instead of asking what is your name or who are you, what are the other options? For example, this is a question like opposite person is standing in front of you and you want to know his name. Okay, boys and girls, a person is standing in front of you and you want to know his name. So we have already got two options, that is what is your name and who are you. What will be the other option? Yes, good. Can I know your name, please? Can you introduce yourself? Can I know your name? Can I know who are you? Okay, may I know your name? Good, excellent. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. May I know your name? As I said, boys and girls, and I keep on repeating, girls, especially the girls from these batches, creativity, girls. I need the creativity because there are many students in these groups who are learning. Okay, so if some girl is typing, may I know your name? Everyone types the same. It's nothing but I'm copying the words. Be in creativity. Creativity means it's like you have to type something different. So we learn more and more new words and we can improve our English. Okay. Can you say your name? Halima Banu. Okay, good. Shaista is like, can you introduce yourself? Please, can you say your name? Okay, good. Okay, so we have the different answer. My point was this, boys and girls, that instead of asking what is your name, we can ask, may I know your name? Okay, can I know your name? And last but the foremost thing is, who are you? So it's very simple. Who are you? So what will be the opposite person's reply, boys and girls? If you ask, who are you? Yeah, Sajra Israfil is just typing, can I know you? Okay. Okay, good. Can I know you? Okay, good. So now here, boys and girls, instead of asking what is your name, you're asking who are you. For example, if I ask you who are you, what will be your answer? Like in the spoken English, what happens? We ask the questions. Questions are more. There are question words which are starting from WH. That is what, where, whose, where, whom, had, everything. Okay, good. So if I'm asking you who are you, what will be your reply, boys and girls? Will you say I am a man, I am a boy, I am a girl, I am human being, I am from planet Earth? Will be like this? No. Okay. Obviously, here comes the new word which I'm going to type. I hope everyone can see the screen. Yes, we have the two options, boys and girls, and the two options are, first, you are going to say your name or you are going to say your designation. Okay, who are you? So now here I'm trying to say, yeah, good. Myself, Mohammed Farwan. I am Atika. I am Safina. I am Umra. Yes, good. You are going to say your name. So it's very simple. If you are telling to the opposite person what is your name, you are getting the same answer. As well as if you are telling who are you are getting the same answer. Now, why I am teaching you this? I am teaching you this because there are many lot words you have to implement in your life for the spoken English. Okay, fine. Here we go. So here, designation. So you are going to say, if I'm asking who are you are going to say, my name is Khadijatul Khubra and I'm the first year PUC student. My name is Muhammad Farhan and I'm the student from the Commerce second PUC. My name is Muhammad Shahnawaz and I'm the spoken English trainer. Boys and girls, I hope everyone is understanding designation. Okay. So in school, your designation is student. Even in the college, you are a student. But when you grow up and when you start working, what will be your designation? Right. That is nothing but in your ambition. It depends on your profession and the occupation what you have become. For example, lawyer, doctor, engineer, whatever you have become. So someone is asking you that what is your profession, and if you are working in aviation sector, what will be your answer? I repeat again, boys and girls, listen carefully. If someone is asking your designation, and if you are working in aviation sector, what will be your answer? If you are working in aviation sector, obviously you will say, I'm a judge, I'm a lawyer. If you are working in school, obviously you will say, I am a teacher, I am a principal, I am a HM of that school. So my question is, if you are working in aviation sector, okay, what will be your designation? Okay, I have typed the spelling of the aviation. Okay, aviation. Okay, good. All the girls started answering in the chat box. They are getting. Okay, good. So to answer this, boys and girls, to answer this, it's very important that you should be knowing the meaning of aviation. What is the meaning of aviation? Okay, you should be knowing the meaning of aviation. Okay, so the meaning of the aviation, we have the answers, and the answer is ground staff, ticketing center, air hostess, cabin crew. I repeat again, the meaning of the aviation sector is ticketing staff, pilot. Yeah, thank you for reminding me, girls. I know you cannot unmute yourself and give the answers, but you are typing. And slowly we will make sure, boys and girls, even you can unmute yourself and you can give the answer. But here, girls, we have the options. Okay, our technical team is working on that. If you type, sir, I want to speak something, then our technical team will come to know that you have typed this and they will unmute you. Then you can speak. Then again, they will mute you. Okay. Okay, let us come back to the topic, that is aviation sector. So boys and girls, if anyone is asking what is your designation, and if you're working in aviation sector, you have to say, I am a pilot. I am a ground staff member. I am a person from the ticket booking counter. Okay. I'm the person, I'm a pilot. I'm an air hostess. I'm from the cabin crew department. So cabin crew is nothing but an air hostess. Okay. So now the questions which has been asked to you, and if you can answer it properly, that is what it is called as spoken English. Okay. So here, as I said, okay, I'm an electrical supervisor in the software company. Good. Everyone is trying what makes the person successful in the future. Good. So here, aviation sector, and that is, I'm asking about your designation, flying or operating of aircraft. Yeah, good. Now here, girls, as we move forward, I'm going to explain you some words. Okay, good. Now you know very well, boys and girls, I'm a person who can teach you how to attend the interview. Okay, I can train you how to attend the interview. For example, if you want to work in call center, okay, if you want to work in call center, there are two types of call center: domestic and international. Domestic is nothing but and speaking to the customers in India. International call center means you have to speak to the foreign clients. In the international call center language, we call them expats. Expats is nothing but a foreign client. Okay, so if you want to work there, I can give you the training because I already have attended many interviews in the call center. If you want to work in the school field or the college field, I can give you the training how to become a teacher or a lecturer, how you have to face the teaching method, or if you want to join in aviation sector, obviously how to book the tickets, how to be a ground staff member, how to be a cabin crew. I have attended this training. I have a lot of experience. I'm going to share my experience, then it will be well and good. Okay, so boys and girls, here we go. Very important things I'm going to teach you now, because in my screen it is showing remaining meeting time 9 minutes 47, 46, 45. Oh my god. Okay, so here we go. Today's homework will be, boys and girls, I hope you have book and pen. I'm going to give you a few words. Okay, that words are very important. So instead of using normal English, you have to use this English. Okay, and this is your homework, which you are supposed to say me tomorrow, or you have to show it on the screen. If you show it on the screen, your homework, it is well and good. We will come up to that. What will be the thing? So I'm going to type what those. I'm going to type the words. You can just note it down. The first word, boys and girls, it is to. Okay, to observe. As you can see my screen, boys and girls, it is like to observe. Okay, what is the meaning of to observe? You have to frame a sentence. Now some girls are very smart. Instead of writing the homework, they will start typing here. Okay, okay, thank you very much, Sipkat sir. I came to know. To observe means what? Okay, girls, I request you, please don't, because everyone is seeing the chat box and they will come to know the answer. Actually, this is homework. You are going to write support. Okay, girls, if you are so smart, there is a tough question for you also. Let us see. The first question, boys and girls, I hope everyone has written to observe. And the next question is AGILE, agile. Boys and girls, first question what I'm asking for you tomorrow's homework is you have to practice this word and at least you can get the answer. What is the meaning of to observe and what is the meaning of agile? Okay. And the third word will be what is the meaning of AMPLE? Okay, the word did not come. Ample. To observe, agile, ample. Okay. And there are two more words. Very tough. Okay, so at a time I'm going to write. All and girls, please look at the screen. This is for tomorrow's homework because very few minutes is remaining and I want to give very, very important messages. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sipkat sir. Our technical team is giving message. What are the important points we have to say related to the class we have to say. Okay. So boys and girls, I hope everyone is observing the screen. The first question I'm going to ask you is to observe. The second question is agile. The third one is ample. And the fourth one is RECU. PERATE. RE, okay. CUPERATE. I hope your unmute option was there. I just want anyone to pronounce this word. Even I am facing a little bit obstacle. I am facing a problem to pronounce this word. RECUPERATE. What may be this word? It may be recuperate or recuperate or recuperate. Okay, this word. This is a little bit tough. Okay. Already everyone is answering on the screen. I hope remaining students also come to know. Recuperate. Girls, the first word is to observe. The second word is agile. The third word is ample. The fourth word is recuperate. And the last word is, I'm going to type DEJECTED, digit. Okay, 5 minutes remaining. Okay, and we have come to the end of this session. And I have given you the homework to observe, agile, ample, recuperate, and dejected. Goes along with that word. Okay, someone is Lubna Begum is messaging. C is pronounced as K, sir. Okay, so you mean to say recuperate. Okay, good. Okay, thank you very much. Now, boys and girls, we have learned many words also here. That is a designation. What is your name? Different way of asking the questions. And I just say the follow the protocols. Okay, so Sipkat sir, I'm just asking you, 5 minutes are remaining. Can you unmute everyone? So one by one, they are going to ask the question because Okay, girls, discipline first. Okay, concentration first. It's very simple. If you are going to unmute everyone at a time, if everyone start asking the question, what will happen? There will be totally disturbance. No
Sir, they have the
answer.
option to unmute themselves. Sir. They can unmute and answer your question.
Okay. Okay. Okay, girls, here we go. Boys and girls, our technical team has given you the options to unmute yourself and ask the questions. But wait, don't ask. Please don't ask. Please listen to me. Patience. Patience is the key to success. Okay, patience, patience. Let me tell you, because why I'm saying this, automatically after 4 minutes the screen will go away. So listen carefully. Tomorrow, please be on the time. Okay, tomorrow the classes is going to start at 2:55. We will get connected 3 to 4. It will be there. And once again, I would like to thanks our technical team from the Colors Foundation and all the boys and girls for coming here. Okay. And one more thing, please, whatever I'm giving the homework, make sure you concentrate on it. Okay, the lockdown is going on, and you are taking your school classes online and colleges also. But even this class is as important as your schools and colleges online classes. Okay, but you can see on the screen in the chat box almost all the answers we have got. This means the girls, very superb, excellent, awesome girls, very talented girls who has lots of potential and caliber. They are just seeing it. Now, you know the secret. I cannot see you on the screen. The secret is very simple. If I use the word smart, that means these girls are searching in the Google and they are giving the answer. This is the above level smartness. So we are your teachers. So we know each and everything, girls. Now they will type, no, sir, we are not cheating. Okay, boys and girls, no problem. If you are searching in the Google, that's what we want as a teacher, that you learn something. So if you are, see, now she is saying, sir, appropriate word, dejected is dispirited, affected by the low spirit. Who will give this kinds of answer? Tell me. Affected by the low spirit, dispirited. That means 100% pakka you search in Google to impress. That is what it is. Okay, girls, I impressed. I'm very much impressed. Good. This is what how the training goes. Okay. So only 3 points. Be on the time tomorrow. Maintain discipline in the class, and please use the headphones. Okay, so that we do not get disturbed by other things. And remaining things you know very well. Book and pen should be there. You will get the certificate. Okay. So my time is over, girls. If someone is speaking, you are not supposed to. Please wait. Patience. Here we go. Yeah, one by one. Please ask the questions. Right.
I think nobody has the question, sir. Another, my humble request is, uh, hello, is it audible to everyone?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Sir, my humble request to all the students to please give their feedback on our number, that's Colors Foundation number, which they have registered in and saved down there down in the mobile. So ask them to please send the feedback of today's class.
On that 777601160, that number, right, sir? Color Foundation number.
So they have to save down this number into their mobiles to get their links. Daily we have sending the broadcasting because due to the WhatsApp groups we face a lot of problems. Many students started taunting each other. That's why we have created broadcasting. Until and unless our students won't save the number, they won't get the link.
Okay, boys and girls, we are talking about technology here. The technology is far more ahead than us. You can know we are facing lots of obstacles even in the WhatsApp, in the Zoom app. So the thing is here is our sir is trying to say, please save the numbers. The number is related to the Colors Foundation, and I hope everyone has already saved. So if you save this number, first thing first is like you will get the link, and second thing is everyone has to give the feedback. Please give the feedback that how was this training, how was this session, so that we can go move forward. Because of your bright future, we want to work hard. When we want to train you, like there should be no problem in your future. Everyone should be successful in your particular field. So please give us the feedback, and you have to send the feedback and the reply, how was this training. And yeah, one more thing, like there are many sessions in that. We are going to do many activities on the screen. We are going to do a group. There are many questions I'm going to ask the screen. There are so many vocabulary, grammar, sure, many things will be there, but step by step. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to do step by step. So I hope this meeting and this conclusion, I'm going to conclude this by saying this meeting was very much not 100%, but something is better than nothing. So 30 to 40% all the boys and girls understood.